Jackson is flipping a coin and rolling a number cube. The die is numbered 1 through 6, and the coin can land on heads or tails. If Jackson rolls the number cube and flips the coin once, which list shows all of the possible outcomes in which the number cube lands on a number equal to or greater than 4? If you get this one wrong, chances are you're going to miss that part, equal to or greater than 4. What numbers can you get on a number cube? Oh, for whatever reason, it won't let me write right there. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which of these numbers are equal to or greater than? So only include the numbers that are 4, 5, and 6. What can you get on a coin? Heads or tails, right? So you can get 6 in heads or 6 in tails. 4 in heads, 4 in tails. 5 in heads, 5 in tails. You're looking for the list that shows that. Cynthia is studying bullfrogs. She catches 40 bullfrogs and measures their back legs. 12 of the frogs had back legs longer than 5 inches. What is the probability that the next bullfrog she sees has back legs longer than 5 inches? Probability is what you want over the total. How many total bullfrogs did she catch? That's your bottom number. How many frogs had legs longer than 5 inches? 12 is your top number. 5 does not go in your proportion at all. Now, this probability, when you get it done and put the top number in, is the correct answer, but all your answer choices are in a percent. So you're going to need to turn that fraction into a percent. And that'll be your answer. Number 3, Isaiah is trying out for the basketball team. This morning before school, Isaiah sunk 16 of the 20 free throws he attempted. Coach is going to allow each player to make 5 attempts at making a free throw. How many free throw shots can Isaiah expect to make during tryout? Now be careful. Sometimes they'll say how many can he expect to miss, or how many, you know, they do weird stuff like that just to see if they can mess you up. This word expect, you need to highlight, underline, or circle it. In fact, when I grade your papers, that is worth 1 whole point. Circling the word expect. If it is expect, you need a proportion. On one side of your proportion goes the probability. On the other side goes how many times he's trying to make a free throw. That's your total. It's going on bottom. 16 out of 20 goes on the left side. So X is going to go here, and that'll be your answer. Expect means proportion. So if you look at number 4, at a basketball game, the first 90 students were observed. Out of the 90, 45 were wearing black sneakers. How many of the 1,900 students at the basketball game could be expected to be wearing black sneakers? This word expected again means proportion. 45 out of 90 is on 1/2 of your proportion. The other side gets 1,900 underneath X. So if you're not listening, you're going to miss it. So 45 out of 90 is your probability. X out of 1,900 is the other side of the proportion. If you would like to simplify 45 out of 90, you can. It'll make your answer easier to come by, but you'll still get the same answer no matter what.